You gotta try a nibble.
It's really good.
Can I? Try a bite. Can I try a bite?
Wow. That's an Oreo on steroids. That's really good.
Welcome back to the smaller half.
So today we went to our local chocolate factory in our town, and we did a little factory tour. It was really, really cool. At the beginning, they told us a little bit about the history of the place. They told us that they started making truffles in a garage, and they also told us...
It was an apartment. It was a house.
It was an apartment.
It was a house.
It's a garage.
It was a house.
Apartment.
House.
Okay.
Not in a big factory. They were in something smaller. We can't agree. It was something smaller.
Look it up.
And anyway, and there was a guy who was a chocolatier, and he taught them his ways of chocolating. And but he said his one important thing is that they made sure to always hire locally, which is really cool. So Highland Chocolates. I'm sorry.
Hire people who couldn't
Which
get
are
jobs.
basically disabled.
People with disabled.
How is that?
They hire special needs people. They hire people who need a job and who have a difficulty getting a job because they are disabled for some reason or another. And so after she told us all that, we went in the back and we got to see how all this chocolate was made.
Crackers. Put it right there in the machine, like that.
So the chocolate is being pulled up here by this chain.
Yep.
And it drops down through.
Yep.
And makes a curtain. Sometimes it starts to get a little bit cold and I have to kind of go in there and the chocolate that's starting to get hard.
That was really cool.
Like that. Like, see what's going right now? Like, just fill up like that. Takes about, what, Michelle?
From this end, once it transfers, takes about 7 minutes. You
About
need to
7 minutes.
You need to give her a little bit more space because they're all getting too close together there.
Okay.
This guy was so sweet. He asked us to take his picture, and then he talked to us about movies and football games and was excited to see us around town.
Pound bark.
Yeah, she uses Wayne bark where you don't have our milk pretzel bark right now, but that's what would go here, and they would be mixed pound boxes of pretzel bark. So.
What machine is that?
That is a sugar-free machine. It's just a little teeny tiny one, so we can temper it and bring that.
We named her Mrs. Potts.
Yep.
Oh, that's
Mrs.
cute.
Potts is her name.
Yep.
Come out and putting them in bags.
Now they're all dry.
Yep, and they're all dry after all that.
So cool. They look so pretty.
Last year it's only about once a month, so rare that anybody can make them for us.
Now, Mom, what? This is hot.
I'm doing drops over here. There you go. So this thing is a sticky paper. It gets all the air bubbles out. And I'm also doing a small elephant. Let Mom take a picture.
Look at that.
Oh,
10 pounds.
10 pounds of chocolate.
You
It's
love
not
that?
too heavy, is it?
No.
No.
You want to try?
got it.
Oh, good transfer.
Yeah.
You want to hold it, Emery?
So 5 of those blocks come in a box. So then that's when it starts to feel really heavy. When you have to carry
That's
5 of
cool.
them at a time.
His
It's
name
a
is Willie.
metering melter. His
Wilby?
name is Willie.
Cute.
And if there
Oh,
was an
cute.
arm, we could attach it to this if the thermostat was working. It melts about 200 pounds of chocolate at a time, which would be all 3 of you if you were made out of chocolate. I'll pull off 3 and you can
Okay,
use
thank
them.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so after we went through that tour, we went to the front and you can purchase chocolate. Highland Chocolates is awesome because not only do they do these cute little factory tours for free, I might add, and sell chocolate. They ship chocolate out. They do fundraisers. They're really,
Every
really
month
cool.
they do. The only thing they don't make is their truffles.
Yeah, so they started making truffles, and now in the end, they actually
Because
ship
it takes
in their
72
truffles.
hours for one batch of truffles.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? I had no idea that truffles have to be coated. At the end, we got all these fun chocolates, and we wanted to share them with you and tell you what we thought. So I let the kids each purchase 2 items from the little glass case that they had. And then we also got some pretzel bark because that
This
is what
so amazing.
And then,
that's their main
and then we
ticket
got,
item. It's
So
the best.
for the
Then we
next
got, like, a
giveaway,
couple-
we're gonna give away some pretzel bark.
Yeah, we thought that'd be
or
really
some
fun to
different
do
chocolates, and we'll
a
let
giveaway.
you guys pick.
Okay, Ray, what's your first item that you're going to show everybody?
Dark chocolate marshmallow.
Ew, those
Dark
sound-
chocolate covered marshmallow. Okay, take
And
a big bite. And Kinley has the milk chocolate one.
Yeah.
So go ahead. Take a bite, Case.
I finally had one of these, but
You
it's
did.
so good.
They take the schools through tours, and so Kinley got to do that this last year in
I
his
want
school.
to try this one. Let me show the camera because it looks really cool.
This one is really pretty.
Oh, it's a little messy
Who
though.
knew chocolate could be so pretty?
It's absolutely just. And you can eat.
And
the
what
big
is
kind.
yours? What's that one?
It's like a air something art.
Oh, amaretto.
Amaretto.
And she literally picked it, even though she has no idea what amaretto is, just by how pretty it was. This is Emery's personality. What do you think? Is it cherry? I thought amaretto was cherry. I don't even know what amaretto
I don't know
is.
what it is.
Comment down below what it is if you
Tell
know.
us what it
It's
is.
so chocolatey though.
Is it?
I
Emery
love
is not a big sweet tooth. Is this so good?
Mhm.
It looks really
Well,
good. How about
when-
it's all over your face?
I gotta make these when I went on the tour. When I went on the tour, we gotta make them. I made one of these, and I put Oreos on top of it.
It was really cute.
Um,
Those are really good. I've had some chocolatey marshmallow things.
That
in
are
my
not the
life.
best.
That was really the best. You are so covered.
we got
And the dark chocolate's not even that strong, but it's like the perfect amount.
It's really good. So Emery wanted to show you this one. Tell them what this is called.
bacon jalapeno.
Bacon jalapeno.
Bella wants chocolate.
We got one for
it. Chocolate's not good for dogs.
we got one for our dad, and we got it like 3 months ago.
Does he still have a chunk of it?
Yes, he hasn't
still
finished
eating
it.
He's
He
still
eats
eating
like little bit nibbles every
He's not a
week.
big sweet tooth either, and so he's just been nibbling at it and getting little yumminess from
Yeah.
it. Little bits of
He
joy.
likes the
Try
spicy.
those
It's not the
and-
spicy he
Okay.
can't handle. It's the chocolate.
Okay, so this is the first one that I picked. Emery, can you go show him how cute this is? And I picked this because, yeah, it's cute, but also pumpkin is one of my favorite things. They were out of maple, which I was really sad because I love maple too. But here's the pumpkin. Cute.
There was chocolate in the middle. There's a chocolate center. Mine didn't when I got the.
That one's just like a bunch of different. It reminds me of the 70s.
What flavor is that one?
Orange.
Oh, orange, that's right. I'm
Color
sorry.
orange.
Oh,
Oh.
this pumpkin is incredible.
When we were in the factory, something else funny. One of them was called Mrs. Potts, one of their machines, and another one was called Willy, after
Okay.
Willy Wonka. Wow, that pumpkin is really good.
Pumpkin is
Can I try
amazing.
somebody?
Yeah, absolutely.
Bella has her head on my thigh because she wants
She-
more.
she
Can I
could-
try orange?
I was just giving. I can feel it giving me. a
I've had
cavity.
that. I've
Giving you a cavity.
had that taste before in my
It's
mouth.
really good, huh?
What's it
it's,
from?
It's kind of pumpkin
What's that?
spice. That's good.
It's like a dark chocolate, and then in the inside it's like a. My second
Orange.
item I got was a sea salt caramel dipped Oreo.
Mmm.
So I'm gonna.
I bet that one's good.
What is this?
The second thing I got was
I think
a
it's a
caramel
coconut.
truffle. A caramel truffle.
A caramel truffle, that's what you got?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
go ahead.
amazing.
That
Was
was
it
my.
good,
That
right?
was Kinley's truffle.
Raisin
was like
chocolate heaven.
stuck on top of her marshmallow.
Yeah.
I just want to kind
You
of.
gotta try a nibble.
It's really good.
Can I? Try a bite. Can I try
Oh,
a bite?
wow. That's an Oreo on steroids. That's really good.
No.
Wow.
Ooh, the sea salt. I got it.
The pop. That was so good.
I think is this one the
I'm
coconut macaroon?
That's my coconut macaroon. Mhm.
I wish I got
What's
that.
this one?
I don't know. Should I find out?
Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna go show them the details.
I think this is caramel something. Something caramel.
Mine is not a normal Oreo inside. It's a caramel
caramel Oreo.
It's an
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys
no, I
the
think it's a
truffle.
peanut butter Oreo.
Peanut butter Oreo. Yeah.
It's like almonds. and
Oh yeah,
fun.
this was a turtley guy.
Oh,
Am I not turtley enough for the Turtle Club? Name that movie. Comment down below if you know what movie that's from.
Let me
Yeah.
show them this.
I like that one because it's not very sweet.
This
Those
one
that
is
one?
a
Can I try?
pecan caramel. It's
Can
like
I
a
try?
turtle. Mm-hmm.
I'm good. I don't really like pecans, but this caramel Oreo.
Ray's is really good.
I would get this every day. I'd get cavities, but
Mm.
it's good.
Never had.
That's good.
Okay, we have 2 more. Oh wait, you haven't tried yours. Try yours. Is it just filled with caramel inside? Ooh, that looks good. This coconut.
Can I try a bit? I love coconut.
Can I try it?
I really like coconut.
Mm.
You guys should try this.
It's good because it's not sweet.
Take one little nibble.
Mm.
Not that sweet.
Okay.
I
Try the
wanna
bacon
try
jalapeno,
it.
Emery.
Not as good as that though.
I want to cut it and see what's. Okay, so I got my knife and I'm gonna cut it open. You
Well,
should do a close up of
You want me to do it?
and then I'll show you
I'm
guys.
just
what's
gonna cut it right in
inside.
half.
Well, yeah. I don't. want to
If I
cut
can.
myself.
Ew.
Ooh,
What?
look at that.
There's like nothing in it.
I think it's just all chocolate mixed with bacon and
Yeah, it doesn't. It's not
jalapeno.
very.
Interesting to look at.
Yeah, but whatever.
You don't even want to try it? Who's gonna try
It
this with me?
smells like total bacon.
All right, ready? I'm gonna do this whole thing.
I do not like spicy.
I'm not good with spicy either. I'm kind of a wuss.
I love spicy.
Kind of
I'm a
like it.
super wuss. Is it? What does it taste like?
Oh, mama, I need water.
Are you kidding?
For real. It's spicy
Bat 19 has spicy
and
chocolate.
crunchy in there like there's little bacon.
Well, I don't.
Woo!
Let me smell your breath.
No.
Do you need some orange cream?
Oh man,
What is
it
this?
is super dark.
Some white chocolate
Good.
orange cream bark to help you cool down?
Okay.
So this.
So, their signature items that they have is their bark. And they said that it's made with pretzels from Pennsylvania, which I thought was cool. Because we live in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Okay.
Orange.
And this one, they don't always have. This
That's
is a
not
seasonal.
a pretzel bark, though. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It's. I don't see any pretzels.
I can imagine.
I don't think it's a pretzel.
It does.
Oh, this is just orange cream bark.
Emery's
Emery's
orange
right.
cream bark, not pretzel
Yeah.
bark. I would
So-
like to try
I
some.
would
Let's
like
all try it at the same
I
time.
like the white chocolate. Like white chocolate. doesn't
White
really-
chocolate is my favorite, but I do
Any
love.
other chocolate?
3,
I love
2,
chocolate.
1.
Oh, it's like a creamsicle. Only way better.
Strong. It's really strong.
Mmm.
The orange fudge, there was like a red speckle on it. And like,
Okay, that is
it's
incredible.
I
like
like that at all.
sour.
Oh,
It tastes like those, like
I'm
the Sour
taking-
Patch
I'm
Kid
tasting-
cereal.
No.
Yeah.
Not even a little bit. It
Like
tastes
vitamins. Ugh.
almost tart. It's amazing.
I don't like it at all.
I feel like I'm on Charlie in the Chocolate Factory when Violet eats that thing.
Yeah.
Violet, second course is coming in.
Violet.
It's amazing.
Violet.
Seriously,
remember
no.
what she said.
That's amazing.
All right, here's some milk chocolate bark. This one actually is bark with the pretzel.
We've all tried this
I don't
one.
want that big of a piece.
I haven't tried this one. I haven't tried this one.
Oh, that's really good.
It just tastes like milk pretzels, but
Mm.
That makes it better with the pretzels because then it's salty too.
Yeah, that's salty with the sweet chocolate. That's
I
incredible.
like these because the pretzels, the actual pretzels,
Oh, your tooth is bothering
they're
you.
not.
He
They
has a tooth that's getting pulled in 2
On
days,
Thursday.
on Friday.
First,
And we'll,
second day.
All right, and the last thing that we're gonna try is some white chocolate pretzel bark. This is my all-time.
this is literally the
Favorite.
best stuff in the world.
I bought one of these little bags, and it's 5 ounces.
She ate it and like.
I think I ate it in one sitting. Yeah.
Me and Mom ate it.
I was driving, and I was in like an accident, and all of a sudden it was gone, and then it was really sad.
Oh, I thought you said
It's
you
all
were in an accident.
No.
I'm like, what?
It was an accident that I ate it all, and then I was really sad because it was gone.
It's the best thing ever.
That's good.
It tastes like white chocolate pretzels, but the perfect amount of each one.
Mm.
It reminds me of those pretzels that you make with the white chocolate. Just on it.
Okay, guys, so thanks so much for coming with us on our factory tour and with all these yummy treats that we just tried. They were awesome. If you ever find any kind of white chocolate bark that's near you at a place, you really, really need to try it. It's awesome. What was your favorite thing, Ray?
White pretzel bark.
Right, pretzel bark. Kinley, what was your favorite?
White pretzel bark.
White
and
pretzel
the
bark.
pumpkin.
Pumpkin was really good.
That was good.
And the orange.
Oh, and
Untorn.
the orange was actually really
The
sweet.
Oreo was so good.
Oreo.
But the Oreo, it was a little sweet. I like this thing or the coconut thing, like the caramel thing. But I also like the
Where did my
white.
coconut thing go? Did you eat it all?
Did you eat it all?
I don't know.
This is the.
Play back the footage.
I think
We can
somebody
see
else ate
you
it all.
ate it all.
I don't think it was me.